In this video, we're going to look at adding two decimals together. The two decimals that we are going to add together are 72.9 add 3.26. The first step in solving this equation is to write out the larger number, 72.9. We then write the smaller number underneath that, and the first thing we do is write in our decimal point. This means that our ones, tenths and hundredths will all end up in the correct columns. Hundredths, tenths, ones, tenths. We then write our addition sign and leave a blank row above our line. We leave this blank row to write in any additional tenths, ones or tens or even hundreds that we carry over. Now, before solving the equation, or starting to solve the equation, there are two key things we need to do. The first is check the numbers we've written down are the same as in the equation. Yep. Yep. And check that we're carrying out the correct operation we're adding here. That's good. Often learners will, unfortunately, subtract when they're supposed to be adding, or add when they're supposed to be subtracting. So you need to check that, and I've checked that here. I'm almost good to start adding digits together. What I need to do before I do that, though, is write in my decimal point there. I do that because if I forget my decimal point at the end of working out all the additions, I will end up with a very different number than if I had that decimal point in. I feel like I'm ready to start adding now. Because it's a column addition, I add from the far right hand side of my equation first. I'm going to add 0 hundredths to 6 hundredths to make 6. 9 tenths to 2 tenths to make 11 tenths. So we exchange 10 of those tenths for an additional 1. Now we add 2 to 3 and 1 to make 6, and then 7 to nothing to make 70. So my answer is 76.16. Can you see how, if we'd have forgotten our decimal point, our answer would have been 7,616, which is a very different answer to 76.16. So it's essential that you include your decimal point just here.